beauties, I hope you all having a lovely day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Nice to meet you. Before we're gonna start with this video, hit the button to subscribe and hit a thumbs up if you enjoy watching this video and the bell icon so you get notified about new videos that I post, and give your girl a follow on the Instagram. Alright, this video we're gonna do a little tutorial. My last get ready with me video, you guys asked for more videos like this, more chatty videos that is perfect for hooded eyes. First things first, I'm gonna start from priming my eyelids. So I'm gonna use Conceal and Define by Revolution. Few dots. Moving enough. I'm using a brush rather than sponge. I mentioned this in my previous video. I'm switching from makeup sponges 100% to makeup brushes. Okay, so next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the setting powder. You can take a pressed powder, you can take a loose powder. I'm currently obsessed with this Revolution Conceal and Fix translucent loose powder, so I'm gonna use that. For today's look, I'm gonna use this Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette. I'm gonna start from this like a beige color. This is gonna be our like a base kind of transition color. I'm going outer corner where my orbital bone is. Then I'm dragging this inwards, higher than my creases. So we're kind of just contouring the eye in a way. This should do for now. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna apply the eyeliner and then we can come back to the eyeshadow palette again. Because with the hooded eyes, we're gonna draw eyeliner like this, right? And then we're gonna kind of blend this part a bit with the eyeshadow, like slightly bit, just to conceal the crease of the liner. It depends how hooded your eyes are. So for my liner today, I'm using NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. What I'm doing, I'm starting from the outer corner. You can dot it if you want, if that's easier. Watching straight, I'm not looking down or closing my eye or anything, because you're not walking with closed eyes. And then I'm kind of drawing this wing how I want it to look. You can go in like a feathery motions, you don't need to go straight line, straight away. Then I'm closing my lid and collecting these parts together. There you go. And then from top in here, gonna go close to the lid, and then we're gonna play kind of like a dot to dot, filling this part in. Alright, so now you see this like a crease part where our eyes creases, so the eyeliner creases too. So I'm kind of gonna fill this part in with my eyes closed, so I see it, and then open my eye to make this line more equal. You see? Does that make sense? So you have like a line and then another layer, like a step down. When you're looking straight, it goes perfectly fine. Alright, so next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the darker brown color called Universal in the shadow palette and a smoothing brush. And what I'm doing is this, I'm going where our liner part is and kind of blending this inwards a bit. So it's not as harsh kind of. So adding a little bit of a darker color on the outer corner, not all over the lid. Gonna lift your eye a little bit up as well. As you see, I'm just buffing this color in. I'm going forward with that and taking the same brush we used before and kind of softening the edge a bit. Alright, so next up is some mascara and falsies, and then I'm gonna do full face, the foundation and so on. And then we can do the inner eye corner. I'm kind of considering to do a bit of a pop of a color and add, don't judge me, this pink in the inner eye corner. So for my mascara, I'm using the b.u.beauty Full Frontal Custom Black Mascara. Alright, so another trick how to easy lift your eyes a bit, not to make it look as droopy. So the eyeliner already helps because we're concentrating to this part rather than this part, plus we made this part darker, so you kind of look in here. So another thing is to apply the false lashes, but only to the outer part, like middle to the outer, so automatically that will kind of go up rather than being a full strip. So I'm gonna use the Ardell's Magnetic Accents. I've been obsessed with these lashes. I use this a lot. You probably see me using this in my videos. So I just use the tweezers to apply these close to the lash line. I did separate reviews, separate videos on how to apply these, and then I would press top part while applying the bottom one, and then it just clicks together. Easy as that. It's like literally seconds. So I'm sure you can already see how this eye kind of vent up because we have lash only on the outer corner. Let's do the face. So I'm gonna quickly prime it using a Blur primer by Revolution Pro. The logo cleaned up already. I've been obsessed with this primer because it literally blurs out the pores. Like, literally. If you have big pores like I do, check this out. As you see, I just went like big, and then I'm kind of blending this in because it's just such a huge thing. Okay, another thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the Il Makiage foundation. Flawless base will couple like this foundation in 120. So the shade might look like it's a bit too dark, but it's the whole point because I'm doing like reverse contour. Also, let's have a little chat. What do you guys think of like recyclable packaging and so on? So as I mentioned, that's one of the reasons why I stopped using the makeup sponges. I'm very much so into all the recyclable everything. Like I'm checking, you know, when I'm buying anything, if it's recyclable or it's not, if it's, you know, single-use plastic, I try to avoid it. So I really care about packaging, about everything, and that includes the like makeup and so on. And I noticed a lot of makeup is packed in, you know, one-time use plastic, like single-use plastic, which is pointless. It just goes to a bin straight away. Like no one keeps a package. If it's a box like this, I keep the packaging because I just drop things and I find it handy to keep because my table has like a 2 layers, like a drawer kind of thing. So I just keep in a box the things that I use daily, so I don't need to check my drawers. It's kind of in front of me. So yeah, what's your guys' opinion about it? What you would do? Like, what do you think? Do you really check what is packed in, or you just buy the product without thinking? Okay, I'm taking the concealer. Okay, let's set this all up. I'm gonna use the same setting powder. So what I want to say about this all recycling and so on, would you guys pay extra penny knowing that the product being packed in like recyclable packaging, you know, like a makeup product or whatever it is, or all the packaging being made from recycled materials and is recyclable, or you would rather pay less for like product packed in a single use plastic? What's your opinion on that? Because I personally would pay extra penny knowing that there's no single use plastic and the product that I paid for, I'm not gonna trash a planet, because it's kind of becoming a huge problem. Like I don't know how much you guys are into that and if you care about it or not. I'm just very curious about your opinion. Let me know in the comments down below. For today's contour and blush and highlight for the matter, I'm gonna use the Revolution Pro Crystal Luxe palette in Rose Fresco. I love the packaging, but not very eco-friendly. Talking about eco-friendly things, like you can't recycle any of that. Like in that case, I would rather have like a cardboard packaging, you know? Still can be pretty, right? let's finish off the eyes and then we can do the lips and we will be done with this makeup look. So coming back to this Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette, and as I said, we're gonna take this super bright pink and we're gonna go in the inner eye corner. You can totally skip this part obviously, but I kind of wanted to do that, so I'm gonna do this. Taking a highlighter and small brush, I'm gonna go inner eye corner on the top of this. Next step, taking the same brush what we use for blending, and this asteroid shade, which is just a light brown that we use as our transition and a base color. I'm gonna go all over my lower lash line with this. Okay, I want to add one more thing, so I'm gonna do the eyeliner for the inner eye corner slightly bit more, so that would bring the eye, like would lift the eye even more. You see, so because we added this inner eye part, it kind of straight away draw the eye up rather than previously looking a bit droopy. So another thing, I'm gonna add the mascara and we're done. So for a lippy, I think I'm just gonna go with nude lips. I'm gonna use the Il Makiage Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream. It's kind of very oily lippy, so I always start from middle rather than outlining, because otherwise it would kind of bleed a bit. Also, I stopped using lip liners. I don't know about you. I just kind of go straight away with lippy. I kind of contour my lips a little bit with the contour powder and the detail brush. I don't know if I feel this part here today. I can do it if you want to. And that just makes like a huge difference. Makes the lips look bigger straight away. Like I have a whole new technique for that. I could do a whole video about it if you want. And our makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? So yeah, what do you guys think of the finished makeup look? Is it a yay or nay from you? If you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please tag me in your pictures. I absolutely love to see your recreations. Makes my day 100% when I see you tagging me in your pictures. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Also, it's free. It doesn't cost anything. Who doesn't like a freebie, right? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. A tutorial, a review, a chatting video, something a bit similar like this. Maybe you have a topic you would like me to talk about. I'm always super honest about everything and I have opinion pretty much about everything. So if you would like me to talk about it, leave a comment down below. Let me know. We can talk about it in my next video. I hope you guys having a great day and I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day. Ciao.